What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to delete or unlink your card on Revolut, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So basically we've done dozens of Revolut tutorials, so make sure to check them out, and if we did not cover some topic and you still have issues with Revolut, make sure to write it down in the comment section down below. So back to the topic, how to remove card from Revolut. So on the main accounts tab, when you enter your account, when you enter on your account on your app, you need to go to Accounts tab and then select Add Money options. Then it'll be open the Add Money screen, and when you're on Add Money screen, select Change at the bottom. It'll open your card window and select the info beside the card you want to delete, and you'll see the option where it says delete. So also there are as you can see, you can remove also linked banks. So basically you'll need to remove the mandate you've set up in the Revolut app by tapping on the linked account and select revoke, which will then link you to respective bank portal for your authorized removal of the linked bank account. So basically it's you can also cancel your Revolut card going on a loan and credit card selection in Revolut app, where you'll find the option to cancel the card. So overall, those are all the options on how to remove a card from Revolut. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. As always guys, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future tutorials. Goodbye guys.